Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Kawasaki Ninja 300 sport bike, twin cylinder, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This is the ABS model. ABS brakes for you new riders, you got to have those. Beautiful metallic white and black paint scheme. It's got the smoked windscreen. Only about 10,000 miles on this awesome Ninja 300. Come on by, make your lightweight sport bike dreams come true for just $49.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.